Ayan, nandito naman tayo. Kasi sabre hindi ako makapag ano doon. Kaya maraming bisita. Kaya dito lang ako. Alright. Dito na. Sige ate. Kaya ganito lang ang buhay. Nandito naman tayo sa Steel Organ again. Nandito na tayo sa ano, doon ang bus stop namin. Kaya medyo matagal din. Siyempre akong ganitong buhay ko talagang siyempre nakakapagod talaga. Alright. Ayan. Ay, nakakapagod talaga siyempre yung ginagawa natin. Para tayong estudyante. Kaya talagang ganoon talaga. Alright. Dito naman, ito yung highway N11 na tinatawag niya N11. Kaya siyempre to highway. Kaya dito lang ako sa gilid kasi mayroong kalsada pa, highway talaga. Hindi naman ako maano dyan sa kalsada kasi nakababangga daw ako. Sabi ko hindi naman ako mababangga. Kung talagang banggain ako, talaga mabangga talaga. Kaya sabi ko alright. Kaya ganito lang talaga. Kaya tayo pauwi na. Ang gawin naman natin, magmerienda. Alright, magmerienda raw. Kasi kumain kami ng manok doon, pero hindi ako masyadong kumain kanina kasi maraming tao. Ang daming tumitingin sa akin. Ganun. Marami talagang na-stroke na iba-ibang klase. Marami kami doon, mga walo kaming na-stroke doon. Kaya ang ginagawa na naglalakad sila. Mayroon din yung nawawalan sa sarili. Kaya ako lang naka-wheelchair. Kaya naglakad naman ako kanina. Pinakita ko sa kanila na maglalakad ako. Oh yeah, you're walking now, sabi nila. Sabi ko, oo, naglalakad naman ako. Pero yung bus stop sa amin malayo. Kahit tignan nyo, itong bus stop na to, itong nilalakaran namin pag ano, pupunta kami ng highway, pupunta kami ng city. Kaya dito lang. Sabi ko laban lang. Kaya nga ako nag-aaral para maraming magagawa pa. Kasi natuturuan naman ako ng ano. Pero kanina nag-barbecue party doon. Pero parang barbecue na barbecue nagpakilala, gano'n, nagpakilala dun sa mga stroke na kagaya kong. Kaya kaming lahat, kaya nga iba-ibang ano, mayroon naka-wheelchair na ano na naglalakad. Mayroon din naman na yung ano yung parang ano nagduduron yung ano yung mayroon siyang gano'n na ano, stroller. Yeah. Layo talaga yung bahay namin. Kaya dito, linalakad mo lang kung wala kang service talaga. Dito maraming may service. Kaya ang ginagawa na, dalawa lang kami ni Mrs. ang pinakaano dyan. Kaya alright. Yan, tignan mo, may bandera ng Amerika. May bandera ng Amerika. Ayan, kita niyo yan. Bandera ng Amerika. Alright. Kasi dito mayroong ginaganap na ano, mayroong shooting dyan ng ano, Hollywood ano. Dito mayroon pang toilet. Alright.
So many. Hi.
Hey. Hey. Oh.
Yeah, I just felt like I was pushing against myself. Yeah. Yeah, look there.
I had a great difficulty trying to explain how,
Yeah,
how I got run over.
Yeah, that's why I have. No, come on, yeah.
I'm wondering if you park next to the fire hydrant, will we get a ticket?
I don't know.
Well, that's an American thing. You don't park next to a fire hydrant in America. You can get a ticket.
Okay.
You see the fire hydrant there?
Ah,
Yeah, they're making the movie here. You know that, don't you?
are you going there?
No, I am not. No, I'm not. Well, they're making a movie. They've been making a movie along here over the last 10 weeks now.
What's the name? The
It's going to be called The Anniversary.
anniversary. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
You're a student in the college, are you?
No, I live there.
You live there?
Yeah, I live in Greenfield.
Oh,
Yeah.
you live in the
The new apartment.
Oh, do you? I see.
Yeah.
I have a friend moving in there soon.
Yeah, he lives there.
No, I have a friend who's moving there soon as well. She's bought a flat in there, so it looks lovely. I'm in here. I'm in Greenfield Manor.
Okay.
Yeah, but I have a friend who's moving in there soon as well.
That's very good. He's
Yeah,
my
I
neighbors
couldn't- I
now.
couldn't afford those.
What number?
Huh? Pardon?
What number?
In Greenfield Manor?
I know. What number
I
and
don't actually know. I think she's in the second block.
second block? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in the lower ground in the number 20.
Yeah, and you can get in and out, can
Yeah.
you? there's access for
Yeah.
a chair.
That's very
Yeah, I
good.
don't. You couldn't actually get into my apartment using because the steps up.
Ah, you have the
You'd
steps.
have to go
yeah,
down the
yeah.
ramp into the garage and then get into the lift and then go up. You could do it that way. but
Okay.
It would be a long way around though.
We
Anyway,
can-
you go off.
Yeah.
Cheerio. Bye bye.
See you.
Bye bye.
Alright. Yeah. Marami tayong marami tayong dito mga neighborhood dito. Siyempre, bago lang ako dito. Eh sabi ako, 2 years na ako eh. Kaya 2 years na ako dito eh. Alright. 2 years na ako dito, kaya ganun lang talaga. Ayan. Malayo talaga. Kita mo, yung papasok naka-Range Rover. Ayan. Pero ano yan ah, Chinese. Alright. Kaya dito may taxi rin. Minsan may taxi, kaya yung mga lumalabas yan, nagtataxi na, kaya nag-inuman na. Alright. Thank you. Ayan.
Yeah,
Which is true. We
Yeah,
have,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
I just left them. I said, we'll go that way. Okay. Can we get that door for you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Hang on, I got thought. Look at the motherfucker.
Yes, I thought we got it now.
Shit.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll see you later.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
want me to get the lift for you?
No, that's okay now.
You can manage the lift?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah. Ayan, nakarating na tayo sa bahay ko. Kaya dito sa bahay ko, nandito na. Alright. Hello. Nandito na naman. Alright. Ayan. Okay na. Bye.